So on this separate piece of paper, the standard NBT2 is listed for you. So I want everyone to take 1 minute, read through this, sorry, 2 minutes, read through this, and then in your own words explain what would a student have to know or be able to do to show mastery of this standard. Robbie, can you take notes, please?
Mm-hmm.
Or chart.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't mean there's zero. Okay. So let's go around. We're going to start with Karen and then move to Jackie.
Sure.
What would mastery look like?
Scholars would need to understand place value, both location and value of each digit and multi-digit number.
You want to repeat that, Karen?
Yes. Understand the place value, location, and value of each digit in a multi-digit number.
They would also need to be able to compare each digit from one number with its counterpart in the other number. So realize which numbers are in, which digits are in the same place value and compare place value to place value.
They'd have to understand that even if the values of the digits are presented in a different order, it doesn't matter. You would still move them around to show the value in order. Like it will still, once you put it in standard form, it will still, does this make sense?
Mm-hmm.
The
Yes.
values would fit into the right place.
It was
value.
matching. I said they'd
I
have
had
to
no
use a
idea.
number of zeros to figure out the place value.
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay, so here's what we have in terms of what it would look like if we see mastery. So we're going to look at student work that shows mastery first. And so we're just going to do a 1 minute quick analysis. Everyone's going to take one student example and just break down what you see the student doing. And then we're going to come back and share out what we noticed. So just take one. Jackie, can you start? And then we'll go around to Karen.
Sure. This is something that I saw Kevin Fairclough do too, and he's the one I shared out today. But Janasia wrote out 13,908 in standard form the way that she knew how to, and then she chose the answer choice that matched what she wrote out. So she understands expanded form, and she understands that the numbers can be rearranged and still represent the same value.
You said, right, she wrote it out in
She wrote it out in expanded form, I'm sorry.
expanded form.
It's a day for the Kevins. Mr. Rutherford!
Yay! I know. I was really excited when I
This morning I was like, Kevin, 606. He goes, okay. Kevin also wrote the value himself first, but he also even wrote the zero, which like we often skip the zero, but he truly isolated every single digit. And then even though it was in a different order, and even though the zero wasn't there, he was able to have that flexibility to match it.
Nice work, brother.
Mhm.
I know.